In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all your Trello cards in one place. If you're managing multiple projects or just your everyday tasks using Trello, you may have found yourself wondering how you can quickly access all the cards assigned to you across different boards. Perhaps you're looking for an overview to help prioritize your tasks. Or maybe you just want a convenient way to keep track of everything you're working on. Well, the good news is, Trello has a feature that allows you to do just that, and the process is surprisingly straightforward. To begin, you're going to want to make sure you're logged into your Trello account. Once you're there, locate your profile icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. What we're interested in here is the option labeled Cards. Go ahead and click on that. By doing this, you'll be directed to a dedicated section for your cards. This area of your personal section is incredibly useful as it provides a centralized location showing all the Trello cards assigned to you. You'll instantly see a list laid out neatly, displaying not just the tasks themselves, but also vital information such as which list each card is on, the labels associated with it, the due date for each task, and even the board to which each card belongs. This layout makes it easy to get a snapshot of all your tasks and helps in managing your workload efficiently. But that's not all. Trello offers a great way to organize this view even further. If you look at the top right of your screen, you'll see buttons that offer you the option to sort and filter these cards. You can sort them, for instance, by due date or by board name, making it easier to prioritize tasks based on urgency or relevance. Alternatively, the filter option allows you to focus on specific criteria, like cards with a certain label, enabling you to tailor your view precisely to your needs. And there you have it. By simply clicking on your profile icon, navigating to Cards, and playing around with the sort and filter options, you can have all your Trello cards right at your fingertips, all in one easy-to-access place. This little feature can make a big difference in how you manage your tasks, helping you keep organized and on top of all your responsibilities. That's all for today. I hope this guide makes managing your Trello tasks that much smoother. Thank you for watching, and give it a try next time you log into Trello. Have an organized day ahead.